Hello and welcome to Cornea Revolution, Motwani Lasik. In a minute here, we're going to share one of our patients' stories and to give you some feedback and inspiration. I hope you enjoy.
My name is Stephanie, and I'm from Pflugerville, Texas. I've had problems with my eyes since I was 10 years old. I had contracted chickenpox, unfortunately, and there was one above my eyelid, and they had told me that if it popped, there was a chance that my vision would be obscured. And I figured, okay, maybe it won't pop and it won't affect me. But after the virus had cleared, I was told my eyes were getting hazy. Upon review from my regular optometrist, upon review from my optometrist, they told me that there is a little bit of scarring over my cornea. So I was sent to two specialists, and pretty much they told me that there was really nothing that could be done with the exception of a corneal transplant. But being at age 10, that was terrifying. I thought that I would never ever see again on my right eye. Like, I just thought this is going to be my life. And, I was so upset that I was like, if I can't see out of my right eye, what's the use of my left? And I thought maybe, let me test my left eye and maybe it'll transfer over. But that's not how it works. So I lived with this for years, and nothing helped. Contacts, glasses, eye drops that were given to me, they never helped. So, flash forward to 20 plus years later, and, I'm seeing if there's better technology to help me with my cornea, because I hated living like this. I couldn't see clear faces within a foot of me. I couldn't see even big letters. Like, the biggest letter I saw was the big E on the screen, that the first thing that they showed me. And anything below that, I could not. And it was horrible. So I figured maybe there's an advancement and I can get something done. And so I did a quick Google search, and I was surprised that Dr. Motwani was one of the few that actually can help me. And so he told my husband, I'm like, hey, let's take a trip. If anything, we get a nice trip to San Diego. So we saw Dr. Motwani, and he said, I can fix this. I can help you see better. And so I'm happy. I'm like, all right, let's do this. And the 2 times that we've done it already, there is such a big difference. I was able to see faces from 30 feet away from me when I couldn't before. I couldn't even see facial expressions. I could see the words on TV really clear. And it is so amazing to know that I don't have to have corneal transplant surgery, that I can just get the PRK and I can see. And it's made such an impact in my life, because now I can see the little things that I wasn't able to see before. I have more hope now than I did 28 years ago. So this has been the best decision for myself, for my kids. I can do a lot of things. I can see. I don't have to overcompensate from my left eye, just trying to see anything. It's just been such a life changer, and I could not be happier.
Thank you, viewers, for watching. We hoped you enjoyed that heartfelt story from one of our patients. Again, no one should have to go through a cornea transplant as the only option. So if you are having some trouble and doctors are telling you that this is an option, please reach out to Cornea Revolution. We can help. We hope to hear from you soon.